Shelley, wanting to make sure that you become a better version of yourself professionally. It's a little late with the video today, but wanted to talk to you guys today about something important. Making sure that you're living up to the expectations that you've set for yourself and not what others have set for you. Especially in the areas of careers, people want you to be a doctor, lawyer, Indian chief. But is that what you really want to do? And is that what your dream career entails? If that is not the case, then do not objectify or subject yourself to other people's expectations, because you're never going to meet them. Because it's based on what they want for you in their own head, not what you want for yourself. So, experience a little bit of that in my life, where I was going for a career that my mother expected me to do because she liked it, which I've talked about that before, where I was going to school, going to community college for physical therapy, when that's not the field for me. I like to help people. There's a part of me that loves and desires to do that on a whole other level, but it's not for physical therapy. And I found that out 2 years in. So I want to make sure that you guys don't have to waste money and tuition. I don't think it was a waste of time. It was a learning experience that I was able to recover from after I went back to school for business and for human resources. So live up to the expectations that you set for yourself, because a dream career means that much to you instead of other people's expectation. But keep in mind, if you're not going to be living up to people's expectations, don't expect their help when you don't abide by theirs either. So be ready to be independent with getting your own expectations off the ground. Alright guys, just wanted to drop a quick note. And of course, if you are looking for any of the career services that I do provide resume restructuring, resume writing. You can go to mentorshelley.com/resume-services to do those things. If you want me just to do a quick review and align your resume with what they're looking for these days in resumes, then you can go check out my other resources at mentorshelley.com/services/tools, TOLLS review. That's all one word. And of course, if you want to reach out to me and suggest any other career related subjects or topics on the channel, you can definitely do so at mentorshelley.com/contact, where you can leave me a voicemail or an email message, and I'm more than happy to return that voicemail or email within 24 hours, as well as consider the topics that you suggest. Alright guys, take care. You have a good one and enjoy the rest of the day.